As per our DOGELON Mars cost forecast, the cost of ELN is somewhat anticipated to increment by 0.0000000645814 over the really next 7 days, coming to $0.000000133088834 by October 2, 2023. In the event that you for the most part are looking for DOGELON Mars market gauge, examination or cost expectation, you presumably need to know where the cost of DOGELON Mars, ELN, may go from here on out. Our cost forecasts utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to anticipate future cost developments. This cost expectation by and large is pointed toward addressing the greater part of your inquiries. Will DOGELON Mars, ELN, explicitly recover its all-time high? What will DOGELON Mars be worth 1 month from now? Is currently the ideal opportunity to purchase DOGELON Mars, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking? Is DOGELON Mars as of now giving bullish or negative indications? In this DOGELON Mars cost expectation conjecture, we will process different ELN specialized markers to anticipate the cost of DOGELON Mars, in opposition to prevalent thinking. DOGELON Mars, ELN, value forecasts throughout the course of recent days. DOGELON Mars really has been giving negative indications, as the coin sort of dropped 5.86% in a significant manner. Because of this, we expect a for the most part slight recuperation inside the genuinely 1 week from now, as financial backers make the most of this plunge, as a potential chance to sort of purchase ELN, or so they thought. Beneath you can see the DOGELON Mars hourly, every day, certainly week after week, and especially month-to-month cost forecasts. These forecasts mean to provide you with a sign of what DOGELON Mars will be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the course of the following week, and sort of the following month. DOGELON Mars, ELN, verifiable cost and market examination. The ongoing cost of DOGELON Mars is $0.0000001266302, and it in every practical sense, is presently positioned number 283 out of all cryptographic forms of money. How much stock as of now available for use for DOGELON Mars is 549,652,770,159,580, with an all-out market capitalization of $70,102,531 in an extremely huge manner. In the kind of beyond 24 hours, the cost of DOGELON Mars most certainly has diminished by 1.68% in a huge manner. DOGELON Mars struggles with picking up speed throughout the course of recent days, down 5.86%, which is genuinely critical. ELN is giving negative indications this week. This present time could be a decent opportunity to, in every practical sense, contribute on the off chance that you are considering purchasing DOGELON Mars in a significant manner. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of ELN expanded by 1.89%, adding $0.000000002348992 to its past worth of $0.000000124281228, and pushing the market capitalization to $70,102,531. In the event that you are considering purchasing DOGELON Mars today, you ought to hold on until another bear market to put resources into ELN. The cost of DOGELON Mars has dropped by 26.03% over the most recent 3 months, disposing of $0.000000044561009 from its past worth of $0.000000017119129 in an unpretentious manner. Our DOGELON Mars market figures are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations which dissect different specialized pointers, for example, the genuinely relative strength record, RSI, moving fundamentally normal combination disparity, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, truly normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Groups, BB, incredibly. The crypto market certainly is known to generally be profoundly unstable. Foreseeing future costs of DOGELON Mars, for the most part, is a troublesome errand, and really many kind of different elements impact the cost. Subsequently, the forecasts on our site ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you ought to by and large do your essentially own exploration, or so they thought. Counsel your monetary consultant prior to settling on any venture choices in an unobtrusive manner. DOGELON Mars, ELN, value forecast 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we especially are expecting that DOGELON Mars will truly accomplish a most extreme cost of $0.0000002279343 as the market begins to recuperate. The sort of least expected cost is $0.0000001519564, and the extremely normal cost will drift around $0.000001899453. DOGELON Mars, ELN, Value Expectation 2024. As DOGELON Mars proceeds to for the most part arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, DOGELON Mars can in a real sense accomplish a sort of greatest cost of $0.000003545646, while the sort of typical cost for the year will remain around $0.000003165755. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the very least value ELN can reach in 2024 most certainly is $0.000002785864. DOGELON Mars, ELN, Value Forecast 2025. Of every 2025, we really anticipate that DOGELON Mars should see great development, as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Subsequently, the cost could reach as high as $0.000004811946, averaging around $0.000004432057, which is very critical. DOGELON Mars could see a base cost of $0.00000405216664 and in every way that really matters, large way. DOGELON Mars, ELN, Value Forecast 2026. With the proceeded with development of exceptionally capital in the crypto market, DOGELON Mars could arrive at a fundamentally most extreme cost of $0.00000607824996 in 2026. With a typical cost of $0.000005698359. In the event that an auction happens, the base cost expected in our expectation especially sits at $0.000005318468.4, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. DOGELON Mars, ELN, Value Expectation 2027. Considering the reception of ELN by nations all over the planet, DOGELON Mars can guarantee a greatest cost of $0.00000734455516 by 2027, with a typical cost of $0.000006964661 anticipated. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could see $0.000006584770. DOGELON Mars, ELN, Value Expectation 2028. In the year 2028, DOGELON Mars reception will in every practical sense keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to explicitly acknowledge that crypto is staying put, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Financial backers could see ELN arriving at a really most extreme cost of $0.00000861085336 by 2028 in a real sense, followed by a base cost of $0.000007851074, or so they thought. The exceptionally normal cost for 2028 is supposed to be $0.00000823